Are you tired of dealing with flooded basements and water damage? Look no further than the best sump pumps on the market. In this video, we will be diving deep into the world of sump pumps and showcasing the top models that are sure to keep your home dry and protected. We'll explore the features and benefits of each pump, from their horsepower and pumping capacity to their durability and ease of installation. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end pump with all the bells and whistles, we've got you covered. We'll also cover important considerations to keep in mind when selecting a sump pump, such as the size of your basement, the amount of water you need to pump, and the type of backup system you may require. So, whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, join us as we explore the best sump pumps on the market and find the perfect solution to keep your home safe and dry. Don't let a flooded basement ruin your day. Watch this video and discover the power of the best sump pumps. Number 1. Wayne CDU 980E. The Wayne CDU 980E consistently ranks among the top sump pumps in online reviews, and it's easy to see why. This pump comes with a powerful 3/4 of a horsepower motor that moves up to 5,490 gallons per hour, GPH, which is more than other pumps we researched, including several more expensive models. It's a submersible sump pump, making it quieter than pedestal-type pumps. This is useful if you spend a lot of time in your basement and don't want a noisy pump to interrupt your movies and projects. Durability is another standout feature of the Wayne CDU 980E. It has a cast iron and stainless steel body that protects the internal motor from water damage. Wayne is confident enough in this design that the pump has a 5-year warranty, the longest warranty among sump pumps. Because this submersible pump rests in the bottom of a sump pit, it's harder to reach for regular maintenance than a pedestal pump. This isn't enough of an inconvenience for most folks but matters if you have trouble bending down or laying on the floor for occasional debris removal. Number 2. Superior 92250. Superior Pump touts 20+ years of experience, making some of the most affordable sump pumps on the market. Our favorite pump from this company is the Superior 92250 because it costs around $60, almost 1/3 the price of our top pick from Wayne. We chose this pump because it's an upgraded version of the popular Superior 91250. The main difference is that the 92250 has an automatic switch, so you don't have to activate it manually when water starts to build up. It's around $10 more expensive, but the automatic operation is worth every penny. This small sump pump doesn't have a particularly powerful motor, only 1/4 of a horsepower, but moves up to 1,800 GPH. This is almost as much water per dollar as more expensive pumps. Unfortunately, the cheap sump pump's light frame comes from a plastic construction that isn't as durable as the metal casings on other brands. You might replace this more often than an expensive model, but it's an excellent option to save money for other home improvements. Number 3. Superior 92301. The Superior 92301 has a different design than other pumps on our list. Its motor rests on a pedestal at the top of a tall shaft, not at the bottom of a sump basin like a submersible pump. This keeps the motor far from the water below, which results in a longer-lasting pump design. It qualifies for a 5-year warranty because its electrical components have less exposure to water. Because the motor is above floor level, it's easy to adjust the vertical float switch that turns on the unit and makes it easier to look for motor problems. You still need to clean out the sump basin as debris builds up, but it's less of a hassle when your motor casing doesn't have gunk all over it. The 1/3 of a horsepower motor on this pedestal sump pump isn't as powerful as it would be on a submersible pump, but it has an excellent output of up to 3,000 GPH to keep your basement dry. Since the motor isn't down in a sump pit, it's noisier than submersible models, but the noise isn't a problem if your pump doesn't run very often. Number 4. Wayne WSS30V. The Wayne WSS30VN is actually a bundle of 2 pumps, a main pump and a backup pump. Together these pumps allow you to have flood protection, even when the power goes out. You can buy the battery backup pump separately, but we wanted to highlight that battery backup pumps aren't a standalone solution. Most battery backup pumps don't offer a high flow rate to pump water and last only as long as the battery does. Essentially, you're paying for redundancy to keep water out of your basement when the primary sump pump loses power. Like other submersible sump pumps, you can expect quiet operation from the Wayne WSS30VN. The primary pump has a powerful 0.5 horsepower motor that can move up to 5,100 GPH, almost as much as our top pick, the Wayne CDU 980E. For such an expensive bundle, it doesn't come with some vital components like a battery and a check valve. The check valve is usually a separate $10-$30 purchase for sump pump installations, but buying a battery for the backup pump adds around $275 to the overall cost. This is a big detractor if you want to save money. Number 5. Amazon Commercial AB P100. Amazon is a fairly recent entrant in the basement sump pump market with its Amazon Commercial line of products. In general, the company has an excellent reputation for customer service, and its white label Amazon Basics products are surprisingly effective, given their lower prices. The Amazon Commercial AB P100 is a superb example because it offers a high flow rate for an affordable price. This submersible unit can pump up 3060 GPH thanks to a 1/3 of a horsepower motor, making it an excellent intermediate pick between the ultra-cheap Superior 92250 and the high-flow Wayne CDU 980E. The motor also has an impressive vertical lift of 29 feet, which means it can pump water higher than any other pump on our list.